Hi friends and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. A few days ago, news came that 5 people were hospitalized after consuming mouth freshener given to them at a restaurant in Delhi, which they say was confirmed by a doctor as dry ice, subsequently causing them to vomit blood. 2 of them are said to be in critical condition. According to a shared video on the internet, some people were screaming and crying in pain. They were given mouth freshener at a restaurant, but after consuming it, they felt a burning sensation in their mouths. In the video, a woman puts ice cubes in her mouth and a man vomits on the restaurant floor. Everyone was vomiting. They had cuts on their tongues. Their mouths were burning. Even rinsing with water did not help. Victims claim that the mouth freshener packets they were served contained dry ice. But what is this dry ice and is it so dangerous for humans? We'll know in this video. Dry ice is the solid form of carbon dioxide, CO2. A colorless and odorless gas that makes up a small part of Earth's atmosphere. Dry ice is created by compressing and cooling carbon dioxide gas until it becomes a solid at a temperature of minus 78.5 degrees Celsius or minus 109.3 Fahrenheit. It is commonly used in various industrial, commercial, and recreational applications due to its unique properties. Dry ice is widely used for its ability to keep items cold without the need for water or electricity. It is commonly used in shipping and transportation to keep perishable goods frozen during transit. Additionally, it is used in laboratories for flash freezing samples and in the food and beverage industry like pubs, bars, restaurants, etc. for creating smoke effects and preserving food. While dry ice has many practical applications, it can also be dangerous if not handled properly. One of the main risks associated with dry ice is its extreme cold temperature. Direct contact with dry ice can cause frostbite or burns to the skin. It is essential to handle dry ice with insulated gloves or tongs to avoid injury. Consuming dry ice can be very dangerous and might even lead to death. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide, and if you swallow it, it can hurt you badly inside. When it touches water in your mouth or stomach, dry ice quickly turns into gas, releasing a lot of carbon dioxide. This can make gas build up in your stomach, causing swelling, bloating, abdominal pain, vomiting, and really serious problems like holes in your stomach or intestines, or not being able to breathe because there's not enough oxygen. If someone eats dry ice, it's really important to get medical help immediately. Breathing in lots of carbon dioxide gas from dry ice can make you feel dizzy and have trouble breathing. Hence, it's really important to only use dry ice where there's proper ventilation and plenty of fresh air. Also, being around dry ice or its smokes can make your eyes feel irritated, making them red, watery, and uncomfortable. To stay safe, always follow the rules for handling dry ice to avoid health problems. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.